Okay, you guys. So to make a pumpkin spice cheesecake, I'm gonna show you the ingredients. Okay. You're gonna need some whipped cream, whipped topping. I got this in the can too. You don't have to have the one in the can, but you'll see in the video why I got the one in the can. You're gonna need unflavored gelatin. You are gonna need some caramel. Here I have a pumpkin pie spice nut pie crust. I got that at Walmart, but you can make your crust from the ginger snaps, okay, if you would like. You're gonna need some pumpkin puree, okay. You're gonna need some Philadelphia cream cheese. If you can't find the flavor that I have here, you can get the 8-ounce blocks of regular cream cheese and do it the same way. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to blend my cream cheese. Remember, you're going to use 3 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. Okay. You're going to blend this for 3 to 5 minutes or until smooth. So put it on your KitchenAid mixing stand. Lock it. Turn it on. And allow this to mix for about 3 to 4 minutes. Your cream cheese until it's now after smooth. You have blended your cream cheese very smooth, you're gonna add in that 15-ounce can of unsweetened pumpkin puree, the whole 15-ounce can. Okay, get your spatula. Don't worry about it hitting it because we're gonna mix it in anyways, okay? Teaspoon of cinnamon. That's a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We are going to go in and add in 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. And we're gonna mix this together for a couple of minutes, maybe about here, and let's mix this together. Lock it. And allow that to mix together for 2 to 3 minutes. So everyone, I have those ingredients mixed together and it should look like this. Very smooth. Okay? See the mixture? Take your spatula and just scrape all that goodness off of your mixer. If you're using a hand mixer, do the same thing, okay? So now what I'm going to do is let me move my stand out the way, ladies and gents. Okay, here I have a clear container. In this clear container, I'm going to add, make sure that this container is microwavable safe, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of gelatin. That's clear gelatin. If you can't remember from the beginning, is unflavored gelatin. So let's take this 2 tablespoons of water and the unflavored gelatin, mix that together very, very well. And we're going to heat this up in the microwave for a few seconds, okay? For about 30 seconds. So after heating your gelatin for 40 seconds in the microwave, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna pour that in. And you're going to mix that in as well, okay? Okay, so it only takes a few seconds to mix that gelatin, unflavored gelatin mix in. And now we are going to set this to the side, and I'm gonna get the whipped cream out of the fridge because I left the whipped cream container in the fridge. Up until it's time to use it. Okay, so take your whipped cream and place your whipped cream in your cream cheese and pumpkin puree mixture. Okay, so now I have my pumpkin pie spice flavored pie crust. This contains pecans and walnuts. And I am going to place the filling in the crust. Okay, so I've smoothed out my pumpkin pie cheesecake mixture filling as evenly as I can get it. Actually, this mixture seems like you can make 2 of these pies unless you're using a spring pan. And the lid that came with it, I washed it, took that label off and washed it. I'm gonna put this lid on here, and I am going to sit this in the fridge for at least 6 to 24 hours. Okay, everyone, so after 6 hours plus of our pumpkin spice cheesecake sitting in the fridge, we are going to finish topping it with whipped cream, caramel, and ginger snap cookies with a dab of cinnamon. Get our whipped topping out. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your whipped topping. Oh, shake your whipped topping, girl. Okay. So take the top off, and you're gonna go around. And you're gonna put generous amount going all the way around your pie. Okay. Now after we have done that, we are going to place our ginger snap cookies in between every 2 dollops of whipped topping. And we are going to add one in the middle, like so. And we're gonna sprinkle this with a dust of cinnamon for more beautification. Just dust, lightly dust. Okay.
This is delicious. Go ahead and get you a bite. Yep.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share this video out with each and everyone you know. And this is an easy way to make a pumpkin spice cheesecake. It's the fall. Trust me, you will enjoy it. Your friends and family will enjoy it. Stay tuned to my channel for another video. Peace. Have a great day, everyone.